My name is Yvette Janvier, President and CEO of the Greater Pompano Beach Chamber of Commerce, also serving the business communities of Margate and Lighthouse Point. Tonight we are here at the beautiful Marriott Hotel, which is newly renovated. We are hosting our board installation as well as our annual dinner. Tonight we are recognizing so many incredible individuals. If you are here, be sure to attend next year.
Pleased to be here tonight at this chamber event. You know, it's always a great opportunity to just recognize some of the leaders in our community, and that's what this is about tonight, but also bringing in the new members of the chamber who are going to be in the leadership positions to really make things happen in Pompano Beach. Glad to be here tonight.